we're just going around at the start and we've got a complex building here. This is the STC6. What we're doing is we're just looking for the earth points that drop into the ground. So above the building, these go to a point at the top, and they come down, and this is to dispose of any earth. At each point, there should be an earth pot, where you can see they've just been covered over by the grass cutters. So we take these up, have a look at the connection in there, and as you can see, we've got a ring here. So we'll just disconnect here, but probably connected readings won't be true on this system. So we'll get into it and we'll show you how we do it. And number all these up. They've not been labelled last time. The reason we do this is then because when we've got the test sheet, you can correlate which point is on the building to the test sheet. So we have two sets of leads that run out here. A red one, which is 10 metres, a yellow one, which is 5 metres. And we've got two earth spikes. So we run these out. This one will go out 10 metres, this one will go out 5, and then we've got a little short cord that just connects from your tester onto the earth point. We'll show you this one, we've got it all connected up. So as you can see now, we've got both the leads run in. The yellow runs out there, the red runs just a little bit further. So what we're going to do is take our green end, we're going to connect it on. We're going to do each point connected first, so all the readings and everything as it is all in place. So we just scratch the surface of this to make sure we're taking away any of the oxidisation on the copper and getting a good connection. We'll move over to the tester. We'll have that set to the earth on the tester, press test, and then we just wait. So as you can see there, we've got a brilliant reading on the earth point 1, 1.7 ohms. We'll move on to point 2. So we've done the same on point 2, scratch some clean copper, run the test. So as expected, point 2 read very similar to point 1 and to point 3. Now is undo this connection point on the earth tapes. So what that's done, disconnected the electrical system on the building, and this just separates our one earth pot so we can get a test just down to this one earth point. So what we've found now, this point comes to this earth rod. Over time, we're no longer able to find the second point for this earth rod. We're thinking it's going to be somewhere around here. So we're just digging up to try and find it. So this gets maintained yearly, but as you can see here, we've found the earth pot for this one. It doesn't look like it's been up in a good few years. It's really muddied over. So we'll get this all cleared up and we'll show you what it looks like when it's open. So we managed to uncover it all. As you can see, all this was buried over it, but now it should have good access for next year. So we've tested all them now, connected and disconnected. What we've found is disconnected at this point isn't actually giving us a disconnected reading, so we're guessing we've got a buried ring which we can't disconnect at this point, so both the readings will be the same.